CYNEX Intel PC Champion Series Ultimate Value PC Revolution. Tired of overpriced PCs? Here's the game changer. Why CYNEX? 15 years of expertise plus Intel, titanium partner plus direct distribution equals unbeatable prices. Professional engineers build every PC, 100% brand new components only, 3-year warranty guaranteed, quality promise, triple layer packaging protection plus 100% pre-shipment testing, no shipping damage, no defective products, ever. Urgent action second group purchase. Ends soon. Limited quantities, shipping starts July 14th. First come, first served. Call to actions, CYNEX PC Champion Series. Order now, before it's too late. Ready to revolutionize your PC buying experience? CYNEX PC isn't just a computer, it's a masterpiece crafted with 15 years of expertise. 100% new parts, 3-year warranty, ultimate value. This opportunity won't come again. Order now. Your PC life will be completely transformed.